Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to share our Wi-Fi password using our Android device. So nowadays it is pretty easy on the new devices, so you can just go over and follow up this process. So let's just get started. We can start by opening up the settings app on our phone, tap on it. And this method, as I said, works on most of the modern Android devices, so you can just go over and share it with even iPhones. So once you head over to your settings, you just need to go ahead and tap on the option of network and internet or connections, something like that, or Wi-Fi directly and tap on it. After you tap on it here, you should be finding different options. You may look out for the option for Wi-Fi and tap on it, and look out for the connected Wi-Fi and look out for the settings icon right beside it. After you tap on it, this network piece opens up here. Now, once you look out for this option here, you will be finding option to share using a QR code. To do so, in the bottom left corner, you can find a QR code option. You just need to go ahead and tap on it. And you may need to authenticate it with your PIN password fingerprint to reveal the code sometimes. You can just go ahead and do so. And you will be finding the QR code available. The other person can now use their phone's camera to scan the QR code that appears on your screen and connect to the network. Or you can also look out for the share option and tap on it, and from there you can use any other media platform to share it, and that is also possible. You can look out for quick share or nearby share option as well for both. If both of the devices are running Android 12 or newer, you can just go over and follow up this process and ensure that the other person has nearby shared enabled as well, and the device should appear on your screen. You can tap on the device's name to send the Wi-Fi credentials, and the other person will not receive a notification to accept and connect to the internet, and that is it. In some of the devices, you can also look out for a plain text password. You can look out for the displayed Wi-Fi password underneath the QR code if that is available, and you can tap on it. And that way, also you can share your Wi-Fi password on your Android device. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.